Are you ready to revolutionize your contact center? The world is changing rapidly. Traditional models can't keep up with customer expectations anymore. Contact centers must shift from reactive to proactive support. Outdated systems fall short in today's fast-paced environment. With AI, we can build intelligent support hubs that enhance customer experiences. Imagine virtual agents responding faster and more accurately. They provide real-time knowledge and smarter workflows that empower teams. This isn't just automation, it's a fresh framework for organizational success. AI is the foundation for future-ready companies. It connects decisions, actions, and customer interactions seamlessly. Organizations will rethink their roles and processes, creating a new way to strategize and innovate. Agility is key in this changing landscape. Leaders who experiment and adapt will prevail. Tech should enhance our human capabilities, not replace them. Companies that elevate their workforce attract the best talent. Are you ready for this transformation? Discover how AI can optimize your contact center. Check out our guidebook, Optimizing AI in the Modern Contact Center, and lead the change now.